How to create PayPal account. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's download the PayPal app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once downloaded, simply tap on the open option available there and open PayPal app on your mobile device. Now, simply tap on the open to open the PayPal app. Once done so, you will get to see login or sign up option available on your screen. Tap on the sign up since we are creating a new account. Once you tap on the sign up, you will be navigated to the section where you will have to sign up with your email ID. Now here, write down your email address and tap on the next option available there. Now, all you have to do is write down your email and tap on the next option available there. So here I'm writing down my email. Once done so, you'll be navigated to write down your phone number as well. Now write down your phone number and tap on the next option available there. Now what happens is if once you tap on the next option, a code will be sent to your phone number and you will have to enter that code in order to pass the verification method. Now here as you can see, a code will be sent to your phone number. Simply type down it and tap on the next. Now here you will have to create a password. Make sure to create a strong password. Then tap on the next option available there. Once done, so you'll be navigated to enter your personal details such as your name and address. After that, click on the next option available there. Just so you know, you cannot create a PayPal account before 18 years. So once you enter all your personal details here, tap on the next option and navigate to the another section. And also make sure to tap on the terms and conditions box available there. Now here you can see link your bank or card. To receive payments like a bank account, debit card or credit card, you can link it. I do not have any, so I am skipping it by tapping on the skip at the top right corner. If you have any, then you can enter your details. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.